Hi, I'm David at Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke, exit 11. And here I'm going to show you a brand new 2025 Cedar Creek Experience fifth wheel. This is a beauty. 6-point auto level hydraulic. Check out the storage underneath here. Up top, we've got two double awnings up above. Of course, this is a Cedar Creek, so it's a hung wall construction unit. Come on inside and we're gonna show you how things work. Here in the interior of the Cedar Creek, we can see a nice new modern interior. We have the 6'10" high slides here. And of course, all the new Cedar Creek slides are no longer wood. They are a composite floor. So we're not gonna have any floor rot or mold or anything like that happening in your slide floors anymore. That's over. Here we have really nice, we still have our great Cedar Creek high-end furniture, super comfy. We have a real hide-a-bed at the back, and it's a queen, a full queen. Here we have our nice solid surface, fantastic stainless steel fixtures with the cup cleaner, of course, and a full-size oven. So yeah, you can take it out and you can have that turkey too. In here, that's just locked down for travel. We have a really good pantry. All nice solid wood cabinetry, raised panel, and glass. And again, you've got the composite floors underneath your kitchen, so you'll never have to pull that out. Up above, we have two ACs. Everything is ducted through the ceiling. And come on upstairs. Ooh, we have this new table too. And it's a nice extender with storage under your second seat. Now we'll go into the bathroom. Really nice one-piece tub, which is just something that Cedar Creek has always done and continue to do. Of course, with a porcelain toilet and a high-powered fantastic fan. Up top, very good. Thank you. Come on in, and a great size bedroom again. King size bed, storage above the bed on either side, lights above the bed, and USB plugs in here. Prepped for washer dryer, fits snugly right in there. And over here, of course, you got your Dyson over here. Nice little wand vacuum. And yeah, I really like the 2025 Cedar Creeks. You even have a hidden storage under here. Perfect. Come see this one at exit 11 in Stewiacke, Pine Acres.